This right here is the TikTok Elf Cutter, and I'm going to show you guys how to use it today. It's always best to start with some scrap paper or pieces of a magazine that you no longer want anymore. Just smaller pieces so you can get the hang of cutting, and it's easiest to just roll it up as you see here. So we can kind of match the cylinder. It'll expand in the cylinder, that's fine. It's not about the roll, it's more of aligning the edge of the paper with the blade in the cylinder to practice those cutting skills, because it does take a little practice to get down. And we want to practice on scrap paper before we go to the actual paper. As you can see, pinch the fingers, hold the paper, and then pull on the cylinder to make that even cut. It does take a few practice times to get it straight, but as you can see, there are no rips. Take your regular wrapping paper now, as soon as you feel confident enough to do that, and insert it through the cylinder. Measure out your paper next, exactly how much you want to use to wrap. And then once you have your full amount ready and set and pulled out to the exact size you want, line up the edge of the paper again with your razor blade in that small slot. Just like this. Just align it exactly like that. I'll get a clearer shot right now. Just that light a little bit so you can see, but it goes directly, the edge of the paper goes directly in that slot. And take your fingers again. This time hold the tube instead of just the paper. So you're going to partially hold the tube and the cylinder just until you get that initial first cut, and just push the cylinder right along that edge. And it'll stay straight on its own for the most part. It's a matter of you holding the tube so it doesn't like really rock around. But once you get it started, all you have to do is take the cylinder and pull it all the way up the length of your wrapping tube. And as you can see, as we set this aside and look at the piece that we've cut, it's very straight lines, very clean, and honestly, this helps make wrapping so much easier. You can find it on Amazon, so check it out.